certificate, where there was no official record of its existence.
Well, according to Alexis, that birth certificate never did exist. What Harmony gave you.
When you were baby, Harmony took you from somebody else and claimed you as her own. So I was kidnapped? Oh my God.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
You know, there's this thing called age, and it sucks. So I use Instaflex Advanced.
If you're over 50, imagine you could turn back the clock on your stiff, achy joints by years.
It's restored my joints without just temporarily masking my